So this is a teardown of a Microsoft LifeCam Cinema, and back in the day this was a pretty legendary webcam as far as I know. I really liked them, and I know they're really popular with people. But it's died and it's no longer recognized with a PC, so I figured, oh, let's tear it apart, I guess, because what else can I do with it? And get it open, you have to pop this back cover off. I basically use the screwdriver and that little notch and then pry it at it. Back cover is just a piece of plastic. I thought maybe like the front would unscrew or something, but I don't think it's screw on. So, and from there, looks like we got one screw. And I'm gonna guess that the webcam comes out as an assembly at this point. Just gonna slide out maybe. Nope. I don't know if I need to pull harder. I wonder if there's something else going on here. I don't know why I'm trying to be nice. I'm sad that this webcam is bad. It doesn't work anymore, but at the same time, I want to see why. So I can take off this mount as well. I don't think that's holding anything in place, but we'll find out. There was a gasket somewhere like that, I guess. There's screws holding it down from the top. I don't think I'm going to be able to show that. No, it's too dark. This housing is one round piece, so it looks like it's two with a hole cut in it, basically. Let's see if maybe I need to twist harder. Nope. I mean, it doesn't matter if I destroy this, I just don't want to. That's all, I just don't want to. I mean, one way or another, it's junk. So, and just to get the cable out, looks like I ripped off the ground wire along with it. Huh. So that may or may not be serviceable. You'd have to resolder that ground wire to that tab there. Just trying to figure out how this comes out. It might be glued in. I don't know what that screw is holding down. I'm just trying to pry. Let's get some light here. Keep getting in shadows in the footage. Never tore apart a webcam before like this, so this is the first for me. Housing's held together with screws, but it's also stuck in there. I wonder if... No. Yeah, I was gonna say, what if I need to push it out the back? Well, that's a mystery. Not willing to let this win, though. I'm gonna try seeing if I can beat that out. No. I can go psycho on it and start cutting it up with my side cutters. I feel like that has to slide out, unless it's glued into place. I mean, that's the only other logical thing, is they glued it in. I don't understand how this was attached, because this would have had to slide in as assembly. Then how'd they attach this? We're just gonna get destructive, because if I try to be nice with this, video is going to take forever. That is a weird mystery. How in the world? So, this is hinged. That hinge has a screw going through it, but that screw is down below that point. And this piece here is screwed into the frame. There's no visible seam. This appears to be an aluminum tube. I don't understand how that was mounted. What in the world? Like, if there was a seam or something, I could see how this was assembled, but at this point, I am stumped. This is making a huge mess. Is there a seam there? Yeah, there's a seam right there. It's very thin aluminum. I can't really peel it with these. And all I'm doing is I'm going to make it so I have stuff I can accidentally cut my fingers on. Oh, it's a ring on the front. Oh wow, they used actual glass. Oh look, screws. This was a really nice webcam. I'm really sad it died. But it just, Windows will not see it and it's not pulling any power. Oh, that's neat. A little light pipe for the indicator light, and then has a glass cover on the in front of the camera. Got another screw there. It's weird. There's a magnet in the lens. Wonder if this had like stabilization. I don't think it did. I don't recall it having any weird stabilization. Maybe it does. Screw all the way deep down in there. I think that's what's holding this in, actually. It's somewhat loose now. I feel like something else is holding it in now. So this back screw that I got was holding in this side, and that front screw that I got from this side was holding in that side, because you can see little rounded spots. Interesting. That screw's stuck in there though. It's stuck to the magnet on the camera. I don't understand why this doesn't want to come out still though. I'm losing patience. I don't know what it's stuck on. Oh. A little bit of a tab there. Kind of see right there by the white piece. Which locks into that. So interesting. Not sure why they did that. Maybe it made assembly easier. Now this should slide out, right? As an assembly? No. That screw's still stuck in there. Oh, you're killing me. I'm not convinced this is glued in. Can't be. There must be a thing that's locking into place. I mean, there is this button in here and the microphone shroud, but I feel like that's not what I'm up against. Yeah, it's something. I mean, it's loose. It wiggles. I've never tore something like this apart before, so it's always... Oh. So... the top right there, you see that little silver triangle next to the orange. That is the button on top. So I think, yeah, a little clip there. Probably one on the other side. There we go. Yeah, so there's two clips. They go down through those slots on each side. I have a feeling there's also something holding the assembly up though in that mic area. It's definitely not designed to be tore apart. I feel like this is a one-way assembly. I mean, somebody really smart and patient could probably tear this apart without damaging it. But at the moment, that's not my prerogative. Smart or patient. My prerogative is, I want in. Let me in. Just trying to see. I see some dots in the upper left of the circle. That might be the metal from the mic. Oh no, those are actually a PCB. Those are vias on a PCB. Yeah, I can't see anything. I'm starting to understand how this was assembled. I just don't think it's possible to disassemble it without really destroying stuff. I think I'm going to do some destruction here. I'm going to pop out this middle PCB. Maybe. There we go. I think I can, yeah. I'm not doing this the way it's intended because I'm starting to get frustrated. I don't even know if anyone's watching still. That'll be the interesting thing. I still can't get it out. I get stuff in the way. So the brains of this webcam on a little breakout board that plug into the camera itself. Here we go. No, that sticker's not going to come off nicely. So here's the brains. Bunch of passives, a crystal. Nothing can focus. I hate cameras sometimes. Can't read any of that. 165B is this top left corner 6-pin thing. And there's a chip, and the board's even Microsoft branded. Someone tells me this webcam was really smart at its time. Because I feel like they wouldn't have needed all that stuff otherwise. So now I got that board out of the way, I can push out the mic. I'm kind of pushing it from the inside. There's some tabs. Everything snaps together. It's like a jigsaw puzzle. You have to put it together in the right order though. Otherwise it won't work. There we go. Yeah, that's a fancy little mic assembly there. Probably had a nicer microphone on than your average cell phone. There's vibration dampening. All that dust. Oh, it's directional too. It has 2 different ports. Need the light back on. Interesting. Does that mean there's 2 mics? Because there's 5 wires. Oh, it's all molded over. So I think it's might be balanced like a XLR microphone. So now that's gone. This will slide out. And that board I previously pulled out, would have been released by unscrewing these 4 screws and the little plastic canister that everything's mounted in. And then it just splits apart. So this is plugged in, not like that, like that. And that was the webcam. Oop, little plastic cover around there. Don't know if that gobbledygook means anything. But this does have a housing around it. I don't know if I can remove that or not. I'll poke myself in the finger with my screwdriver and get mad. Oh no, they're dang it. They're epoxied down. Oh, there's screws. I'm just going to pull the lens assembly off the board. I was going to take the cover off the lens assembly, but we'll work it backwards. Yeah, those wires are hanging me up. There's the image sensor, and it's pretty looking rainbow stuff going on there. Dang camera won't focus to save its life. Little chip next to that connector. Actually, a couple little chips. Oh, there's no way I'm going to be able to read those, unfortunately. Yeah, this was stabilized. I don't know how, with only 2 wires going to it, but yeah, it had some sort of anti-vibration stuff going on. That's wild for a webcam. I never would have expected that. But yeah, well, hopefully that was interesting. I've never tore down a webcam like this before, and not gonna be the only one I tear down, but it's probably gonna be one of the fanciest ones I managed to tear down because I think it's probably one of the nicest ones I've ever owned. But hopefully that was interesting, and thanks for watching.